Siapa yang jauh dah?
So everybody come closer. Yes, please come closer.
要多少票？看看了。这搜是什么？
Right? So, this is the sacred conjugal. So, you can see at your left hand side, that is the second king kept the sacred tooth relic protected over there. And the first king at that corner, we call it Atadage, 8 relic chambers were there. So they keep it eight similar ones. When the Cholas are coming, they can take the sacred tooth and run away. Then they are showing, finding, then somewhere they are hidden. This is Hatadage, 60 relic chambers by the third king. So they had a risk that they are losing the sacred tooth. So they were protected in different 3 places. So this is by the Parakram Bahu the Great. And also you can see the frieze of elephants, frieze of gnomes. So those signs do 2 sides. Like this in 2 sides. That is male and female both can go and worship. Previous one you say
one side.
Saw one side.
Yeah.
This is into 2 sides. Anyone can go. And also this is a place, temple which is donated by some foreign company, foreign country. So this is something similar to Thailand. So we are believing that is donated by Thailand. And in the middle, there's a stone book. That stone book have written about the donations in the middle, 1,300 tons. So they have written in ancient Sinhala language over there in pages about the donations and the things what they have given and all the things and what was surrounding all the things. Very long stories are written on that. So it's permanently done. So, and also in the middle, so we can go to place. Yes, I'm giving the briefing and then I'll come with you. In the middle, that is called Nishankalata Mandape. In the middle, you can see over there. That is the king Nishankamala, the last king. He was there and the sacred tooth relic was kept in the middle and the monks were preaching and they are giving Pali stanzas. So when they are preaching, chanting, then the king was seated on the down and the sacred tooth relic in the middle, and then after that it was given at that period. So that's why he made over there. So at the corner, where the place, all the statues are made out of mica. And the stones have been adorned by gemstones. So the mica is getting the light from the roofing and the light comes to their bodies. Then after that it reflects, no lights. And the eyes, blue sapphire. Sri Lanka is very famous for gems. For blue sapphires, and these gems are reflecting with the light. And also in our tradition we have Pada Vandana and Siras Vandana. So what we do, when we do the Pada Vandana, we go down here like this worshipping around Buddha, right? When it's Siras Vandana, so you go from the top. There's a stairs on the top and you go around worshipping like that. And you're not turning back and going. What you do, you worship and go backwards and go out. Like that, the system over there, the getting system, that is you don't have a roof. The roof is made out of bricks. No tin sheets or anything. So that is the speciality of this place. And the lot of statues have been destroyed, but the parts are remaining today. But it is one of the important places. So we will start from here. When you are entering to these 1, 2, 3, 4 places, you have to remove your shoes, remove your cap. But no, you can take any amount of pictures, but you can't turn your back. But you can take like this, right? Sideways. That is all. I'll come with you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Donation here.
맞아. 첼라시티 강한 좋은 애들 거기 그 냠작동이 첼라시티 그 막못 당로. 거기 안에 첼라다.
네네네. 셀보다 뭔가 이렇게 부서져가지고.
어니.
산에 좀 있는 거네. 몰라.
뭐로 고창자로 왜?
그다음에 짭짭하게 한번 해봐.
샤리프.
The 2 rooms. One of room arranged to worship to the Buddha, and next one.
Coba pecah melokor aja sih. Ini pak, pecah lebih. Ini pak. Ini pak, ini pak. Ini senang aja. minum weh.
No. Jadi minum aja coba.
Minum. Donation kawgil Nemlis. Nemlis isma. Taiwan tea.
그게 밀립디.
Oh.
그래서 타이완 디자인 좀 넣었어.